Mayor Benjamin Margalong of Baguio City is the only unique politician who has the courage to criticize the wrongdoings and intense corruption that is taking place in our country's Congress. Of all the politicians, he was the only one who had the courage to speak against the congressman, especially the leadership of Martin Romualdez in Congress, for the misuse of the people's money.
Classic example na lang yung ginawa nila sa ating yung appropriations di ba? GAA, tingnan mo yung ginawa nila. No less than the president, sabi niya, is a different animal. Saan ka nakakita ng ganun na kukunting tao lang? Mga lawmakers lang, sila lang nag-usas para binago yung buong bicameral, yung NEP. At kita mo yung mga nilagay ng mga pondo doon obviously election fund ang ginawa doon sa GAA 2025. Hindi na sila nahiya. Ang kakapal ng mga mukha nila, ang dami-dami na nga nilang ninakaw Talagang this is a challenge to all of us dahil another is they want me to produce evidence when in fact ang ebidensya nandun na sa mukha nila. Mag-download lang sila ng mga videos ng mga congressman na wala nang sinalita wala nang sinabi kundi kung wala si speaker, walang akap. Kung wala si speaker, walang ganito. Pasalamat tayo kay speaker. Puro ganun na lang lahat. Akala mo, ang namimigay ng pera, yung speaker. Bakit? Pera ba niya yan? Pera ng taong bayan yan.